Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we're going to be deciding where to go by spinning a wheel. Got a new wheel app, just had a look at it, do something a bit interesting, and I've put a couple of places on the wheel, but look, without further ado, let's have a look at the wheel and see what's on it as well. So we have the wheel, you can see the different places that are on it, like Ballinasloe Woods, you have Penguin Motor Grill, Barrow Railway Bridge. That's in Great Island Power Plant, and it's an old, I think it's an abandoned railway bridge, I'm not sure. Talktom Memorial, Middleton Whiskey, we might do them together. Powerscourt Waterfall, a couple of different other ones there as well, you can have a look yourself. Let's give it a spin and see where we're going today. Hey, Barrow Railway Bridge up by the power plant, so let's go. I'm just going to show you this clip here. I just want to emphasize how bad the sun was. I had to nearly fully stop coming around this corner because I could not see anything at all. So it's just lucky there was nobody behind me. Just a word for anybody who's driving, if there's a day like this and you're in the car and there's a biker in front of you, give the biker space, please, because we cannot see anything there. So I'm sure your vision is limited as well, but definitely give bikers a bit of space on days like this, because in this video, I can see as much as you can in the video in real time. This is what I'm seeing all the way, even though the helmet's on top of or the bike camera is on top of my helmet. The GoPro, that's as much as I can see, so please give bikers space. That's all I ask.
Nope. You fucking see that thing, yeah?
Anyway, so I kind of walked the bike in because I couldn't control it much, so I had to walk it in. But it's beautiful down here. We're going to have a look at the bridge there now. Yeah, it's not great. It's not a great ingredient. Backroads, winter sun, and tight corners. I nearly went in a tight corner there. The way the sun was shining, I couldn't see it properly, so I slowed right down. Yeah, wasn't great, but look, we're here now anyway, so let's make the most of it. Recommend not bringing the bike this far anyway. I was happy enough to get as far as I did without skidding on the bike or dropping it. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous place. Definitely worth the spin down, and just be careful of the sun when you're coming up around these corners as well, because as you can see in the video, it was fairly dodgy to say the least, but we got there, and it's a spectacular place. Really enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the video as well, and all the scenery and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to be getting out and about, more new places to come. promised in the video. And yeah, until next time, like I said, Deise Rebel out.